Let's do a review for part 6b, harmony to compound intervals and also extended chords. So ninth basically is just like a major second, well a second, so it can be a flat nine, it can be a major ninth. So it's basically a major second, an octave up, alright? And 11th basically a fourth, an octave up, and 13th is basically a sixth, an octave up. All right, so basically you're minus 7th each time you see a number greater than 7. All right. So why do we need extended chords? So for example, we could have just played C7, right, instead of something like E13. So one reason is they would make the chord sound more sophisticated. We're adding some extra flavors to the chord, but it's still an E7 chord, for instance, in this case. Let's take a look at some specific examples. Let's realize G major 13 sharp 11, basically with all the tensions, right? So you can start out with intervals, root, 3rd, 5th, 7th, and here comes the tension, a major 9th. You need a sharp 11 here because you have a major 3rd here, otherwise it would clash. So we have to raise the sharp 11. And then a 13. All right, so in G that would be G, B, D, F sharp, and then a sharp 11 G, B, C sharp, and then an E note. All right. All right. Let's realize a G minor 13 sound. Okay. So interval first, root. So root flat 3, 5th, flat 7, and then a 9th. Just an 11 this time. You have flat 3 here, so no clash between 11th and flat 3. And then a 13, major 13. So remember, for minor chord, you have a major 13 still. So G, B flat D, and then F, and then A, G, B, C, and G, B, C, D, E. All right, that's the G minor 13 sound. Finally, let's do G dominant 13. So without writing anything, it means dominant, okay? And we'll include a sharp 11. So root, major 3rd, 5th, flat 7, and then a 9th, sharp 11th, and then a 13. So that's, sorry, in G, that's going to be G, B, D, F, and then a 9th, that's A. Sharp 11, that's C sharp. 13, that's E. All right, that's the review.